am recording now. Hopefully it doesn't go slow. My computer goes slow sometimes. So I've gone from 135 miles, 4.5 hours. That's this line here. All right. I've gone to my unit ratio with time. So time is the one I want as my unit. So instead of 4.5 hours, I've got 1 hour. Oh, come on. Let's see, it's not selecting it now. So 1 hour. Okay. And if I do 135 miles in 4.5 hours, 4 hours, 30 minutes, I will only do 30 miles in 1 hour. So therefore my speed is 30 miles per hour. So what calculation did I do, guys? It's written here. Now, what did I actually do? What was the calculation that I had to do?
4 hours and 30 minutes distance traveled and 135 miles. I'm calculating the speed.
Yeah, but how did I actually do it? So that's it. So I divided by 4.5, right, to get 1 hour. All right, that's what we did. Right, let's look at the next line then. So now I'm going to change. So I know I'm traveling 30 miles per hour. I'm not going to change that speed, but I'm going to change the units. All right, so this is going to be relatively simple, but we might need some converters online. So my next speed is going to be per hour again. So I'm all right with that. But this time, what is the distance I want measured in? It's there on the screen. Now, what's the distance that I want? Kilometers. Right. So what I've got here, I know I am doing, so I've got 30, right, miles. My ratio, miles and 1 hour. All right. Now this is good. I'm happy with this because I want 1 hour here. So I can keep my 1 hour. That's all good. But I want, instead of miles, I want kilometers. So how do I do that? The calculation I'm going to do is I'm going to convert miles to kilometers. All right. So how many kilometers is 30 miles, guys? How are you going to do that? Yeah, so we've got 30 miles, but I want you to convert that, like we did at the beginning of this unit. I want you to convert 30 miles into a number of kilometers. So how many kilometers is 30 miles? And the way you've been doing it is you've used an online converter, yeah? Can you do that, guys? Can we confirm? Anyone, guys? So Sienna says that's 48.3. Well, I've actually done it as well. I've got 48.2805. But it depends. I'm not saying you're wrong. I think mine I've maybe used a different. Let me have a go with a different converter. I think it's going to say the same miles. So 30 miles. Can someone else do it? Who do you agree with? I get 48.2. What do you think, guys? Yeah, 48.28. Yeah? Okay. So what's our speed then? Eden, if I travel 48.3 kilometers in 1 hour, what is the speed that I'm traveling? It's really easy. Yeah. Not quite. It is 48.3, but it's not kilometers because not miles because we've converted it to kilometers. Kilometers per hour. That's it. So the speed is 48.3 kilometers per hour. Okay. Makes sense? Now, if I'm doing 30 miles per hour or I'm doing 48.3 kilometers per hour, right? Which one is faster or is it the same speed? So compare 30 miles per hour, all right, and 48.3 kilometers per hour. Which one is faster or are they both the same? Oh, I've stopped and it's still going. So guys, I've got 48.3 kilometers per hour or I've got 30 miles per hour. Which one is faster or are they both the same? What do you think? Why? I've got a big smile on my face, Jai, because perfect. Well done. It's good answer. It's nice to hear when people are definitely understanding. So really good. Well done. Yes, they're the same speed, guys, just written in different units. Right. Now, so we've done the first couple. What would we need to do if we were going to change meters from kilometers into meters per hour? What are we changing, guys? Okay, so the units of the distance. So I'm not going to do the rest with you. All right, we're going to start. So um, what we're going to do is to go from kilometers per hour to meters per hour. What we're going to convert is we're going to convert kilometers to meters, and that's going to help me work out my speed in meters per hour. All right. Then I go from meters per hour to meters per minute. What is the change that we're going to do? Yeah. So we're going to convert watt to watt. So we've got meters per hour, but we want meters per minute. So we're going to convert, well, we're going to convert hours to minutes. Do you know how to do that? Yeah. So do we multiply or divide? sure. We've got 1 hour, but I would have how many? So there's more minutes than, so we're going to multiply by 60. So we're going to convert hours to minutes, but we're going to end up with 60 minutes, right? Then we're actually going to have to convert, right? And we're going to do what we were doing earlier to simplify, right? Back to 1 minute because we want our unit ratio, yeah? Makes sense? So I want to know what it is as meters per minute, right? So you might want to look at this and think, is there a quicker way to do it? Right? And then you're going to have a look at finding meters per second. So you're going to go step by step. I've set this out so that you use the previous one to get the next one and so on, yeah? And I'm going to get you guys to finish these off for me. So that in final, what we're going to have done is we're going to have changed from 135 miles in 4 hours and 30 minutes. And we're going to have all these different speeds all the way down to meters per second. All right. So that'll be your job for Friday.